अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्यारे बच्चों, आज की क्लास में हम पढ़ेंगे इस्लामियात और इस्लामियात में याद करेंगे अहादीस नबवी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम और हदीस पढ़ेंगे। हदीस नंबर 8 क़ुरानी तालीम। पढ़िए, अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। सफ़हा नंबर 51। अहादीस नबवी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम। हदीस नंबर 8 क़ुरानी तालीम। खैरुकुम मन तअल्लमल क़ुरआन व अल्लमह। तर्जुमा, तुम में से बेहतर वो है जो कुरान सीखे और इसको सिखाए। दोबारा दोहराते हैं, अहादीस नबवी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम। हदीस नंबर 8 क़ुरानी तालीम। खैरुकुम मन तअल्लमल क़ुरआन व अल्लमह। तर्जुमा, तुम में से बेहतर वो है जो कुरान सीखे और इसको सिखाए। ठीक है बच्चों, अब आप इसे याद कीजिए, दोहराइए। फ़ी अमानिल्लाह।
Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Today I am going to explain you about plant. Children, as we have some parts in our body like eyes, nose and so on, in the same way plants has got some parts. Now here is a baby plant. See, it's a baby plant and it has some part. Now see this brown thing, this is called root. What is this? Come on, speak out with me. Roots. Which part of the plant is this? Root. Can you see the roots? I hope everyone can see this part. Now this brown portion is called root and it always grow under the ground. Right children? Now here is a middle portion. This is called stem. In this portion plants store their food. These are leaves. See, these are called leaves. And you are all familiar with this thing? Yes, it's a flower. Now repeat again. Root, stem, leaves and flower. Right? So you know, plants are very important for us. They provide us food, vegetable. You can eat fruits from the plant. So I hope everyone has understood parts of plant. Let's revise again. Now roots, stem, leaves, flower. Okay? Now after this, now here is page number 64 from More for Us. Write date and day here. Read the caption, parts of a plant. See, here is a plant and it has got different parts: flower, leaves, roots, stem. See, this middle portion is called stem. These are seeds. Before growing a plant, you have to pour seeds on the ground. Okay? Then it becomes a baby plant and after that it becomes a huge tree. Okay? So in this page, just read the parts of plant: roots, stem, leaves, flower, seeds, and do coloring. Use yellow color for the flower, brown for the stem, and leaves green, and the roots use light brown color. After doing this page, children, here is another page related to page number 64. On that page you just color the parts. Here you have to write the names of the parts. This is activity parts of the plant. Label parts of plant. Here you have to label the parts of plant. Now which part is this? Flower. Write flower just like me inside the box, touching the line. Here are the leaves. Write leaves here. Here are roots. Write roots, and then stem. After labeling the parts of a plant, do color this plant also, right? I hope everyone has understood both the pages regarding parts of plant. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. Now today we are going to do some reading of dictation words. Here is your English notebook. Write day, okay, and write HW here. Dictation words. What is the caption written here? Dictation words. As you have done dictation words of unit 1, now this is dictation words of unit. These are dictation words of unit 2. Now these are all the difficult words which are used in your ORC book. Let's read the word with me. Hold your finger and put your finger under the letters. DROP, drop. LOCK, lock. KICK, kick. MOP, mop. TIME, time. STAY, stay. TOM, tom. REST, rest. ROCK, rock. SAM, Sam. RABBIT, rabbit. PAN, pan. MOON, moon. FOOD, food. FUN, fun. Are you all reading with me? Okay, good. JUMP, jump. KITTEN, kitten. SOB, sob. MUD, mud. TODAY, today. These are all the difficult words, children. What you have to do, learn at least 5 words on daily basis and ask your mummy to take dictation as you are doing in the class. Thank you. Now here is another page in your notebook. Now this is a picture of a cat. Just write date, day and HW here. Fill in the blanks. What you have to do, children, these are the blanks. You have to see the picture and then complete the blanks. Now read the sentences with me. This is a dash. What you will write here? Cat. What is this? This is a cat. What type of animal cat is? It is a pet animal. You can keep cat at home. You can play with the cat. It will not harm you, right? Cat likes to eat fish. Cat's favorite food is fish, and cat can eat meat also. It sleeps in the basket. You sleeps in the bed, but cat used to sleeps in the basket. It has a tail. See, here is a tail of a cat. It has a tail. Okay, now I hope everyone can fill the words here and complete the fill in the blanks just like me. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum, children. Now here is your mathematics notebook, and today we are going to do a shape. We have done so many shapes before, like circle, square, rectangle, triangle. Today I am going to explain you the new shape. Write date, day and HW here, and see the caption. Write the name of the given shapes. You have to write the name of this shape. Now look at this cube. It has a face here, 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 and it has another face here also. Now each face, you can see each face is a square. This shape is called cube. Now I have written here cube. What you have to do, hold your pencil and write with me. Now where I have put a dot, you just start from the dot, write CUBE, cube. Write the letters in small size touching the line just like me. Now again write, I am repeating the spelling, CUBE, cube. Read and write, okay? Then you can easily learn the spelling of this shape. CUBE, cube. CUBE, cube. Now the last line, hold your pencil, CUBE, cube. In this way you will complete till here. Thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आपकी मोरफरस की किताब है, इसका सफ़ा नंबर है 26। सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है, सबसे पहले आपने यहाँ पे तारीख़ लिखनी है, उसके बाद आपने यहाँ दिल लिखना है और हमें यहाँ पे दी गई है गिनती। ठीक है, 5 तक हम लोग गिनती कर चुके थे। अब आपको यहाँ 3 ब्रैकेट्स दिए गए हैं, उसमें आपको यहाँ तस्वीरें दी गई हैं। यहाँ आपको दिया गया है पत्ता, तो हम पत्ते को गिनते हैं कि कितने पत्ते हैं। 1 2 3 4 5 6। मैं यहाँ हिंसे में लिखूँगी, आपको हिंसे और हुरूफ में दोनों में लिखनी है। पहले मैंने यहाँ हिंसे में लिखा, अब मैं यहाँ हुरूफ में लिखूँगी। चे की आधी शक्ल लिखूँगी और इसके साथ हे जोड़ दूँगी। फिर मैंने यहाँ एक लाइन छोड़ के चे की आधी शक्ल लिखी और हे जोड़ दिया। चे हे छे। हमने नुक्ते गलत लगाए हैं, नुक्ते आएंगे लाइन से नीचे। फिर मैंने यहाँ हिंसे में लिखा चे की आधी शक्ल और 2 चश्मी है 6। यहाँ हमने लिख लिया 6। अगली तस्वीर हम गिनते हैं कि इसमें कितनी तस्वीरें हैं, कितनी पिक्चर्स हैं। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, कितनी हैं 7। मैंने यहाँ हिंसे में लिखा सीन की आधी शक्ल, सीन की आधी शक्ल के साथ अलिफ जोड़ा और यहाँ ते लिख दिया, ते साकिन 7। फिर एक लाइन छोड़ी, सीन अलिफ सा ते साकिन 7। ये हमने थोड़ा गलत लिखा है, इसे आपने ठीक करना है। फिर मैंने यहाँ लिखा 7 सीन अलिफ सा ते साकिन। इसी तरह से आपने ये पूरा सफ़ा मुकम्मल करना है, एक लाइन छोड़ के। अब यहाँ हम गिनते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। मैंने यहाँ 8 लिखा, अलिफ मद आ ते हे ठ 8। अलिफ मद आ ते हे ठ 8। फिर एक लाइन छोड़ी मैंने अलिफ मद आ लिखा, ते की आधी शक्ल और 2 चश्मी है जोड़ दिया 8। अब आपने इसे पूरे सफ़े को मुकम्मल करना है। तारीख़ और दिन लिखना लाजमी है। शुक्रिया।